Hi students, we're going to conquer something really fun and exciting this week, and that is the 5-paragraph essay. You're going to enjoy this because it's going to be about you, and I'm going to walk you through it now. So get your pencil and paper ready and put on your seatbelt because this is going to be fast. No, I'm just kidding. The nice thing is you can pause this as we go and do each step. I would strongly suggest maybe you watch the whole thing first and then go back and watch it again. And on the second time, pause things as we go. And during these last couple weeks of school, don't forget to be reading a book for pleasure 30 minutes a day. And this is part 1 of 2 lessons. The second lesson is also in your lesson plans, and make sure you do that to finish things up. All right, so we're going to write an expository essay. When you write a lot of paragraphs about something, it's called an essay. Yeah, now you know what an essay is. An essay contains an introductory paragraph, a body, and a conclusion, which is your final paragraph. So the body is going to have 3 paragraphs. That makes 5. And expository just means that we're going to explain something in our essay. All right, so another way to think of an essay, an expository essay, is that it's like a juicy burger. The introductory paragraph is part of the bun. The body paragraphs are very important because that's the juicy burger and all the toppings. And the conclusion is the other part of the bun. And if you're missing any of those parts, it's not going to be a very good essay. So let's make sure we make a really good, yummy burger. All right, the first thing we got to do, as always, is organize our thoughts. Our essay is going to be about our favorite summertime activities. Just try to think of 3 activities you enjoy doing, and then divide your paper into 3 sections. Okay, you see how it's going to have 3 sections? The first activity I picked is hiking. Now I'm going to think about my senses. What do I smell, taste, hear, see, and feel when I'm doing my favorite activity? There are some words I came up with. My second activity, going to grandma's. What are the things I see, hear, smell? What do I taste? And third activity, playing with a friend. And what are some things I imagine doing, enjoying, laughing? And what do I see? What do I hear? What do I taste? All right, so you're probably going to pause now and divide your paper and think about your 3 activities. Now we're ready to write the introduction. The introductory paragraph is where you introduce your summertime activities. Yes, thou shalt. Yes, you use those dress-ups and openers that we've learned all year. I've also put those down here so that you have a reminder. Here's an example of my introduction. So you need a new paper, and now you're going to use your outline, okay, to create the introduction of your juicy burger essay here. When school ends, comma, I hope to have summer fun. There are 3 summer activities that I love to do. Looking forward to summer with my family. I'm sure I will be hiking, visiting my grandma, and playing with my friend Cam. You notice that the introduction has at least 3 sentences, and it introduces the topics that I'm going to be talking about. I highlighted have and to do because I want to go back and use my thesaurus and come up with some better words for those. Now the body. Use the outline to write a paragraph for each of those activities that you love. You could even use a new paper. Use dress-ups and your openers, and they're marked down here at the bottom to remind you. And I'm going to look at my first activity, which was hiking, and I'm going to develop a paragraph. So at least 3 sentences, maybe 4, maybe 5 sentences, but no more than that. And I'm going to write my first body paragraph. This comes after the introduction. And you can see I marked some of my dress-ups there. I'm using a variety of dress-ups and openers in my first paragraph. Continue on writing your paragraphs one by one. You will have 3 body paragraphs. Just a reminder to go back in the video and pause each step until you finish. Don't rush. Do your best work. This last slide is an example of using your thesaurus. That's a